Look at this. Arapaima on a fly. This thing...
The Amazon River, with its meandering waters, has long captured the imagination of scientists and explorers, revealing several creatures that remain yet to be fully understood by humankind. These creatures have mastered the art of survival in a place where competition for food and resources is fierce, and through intricate strategies and physical adaptations, they have become the river's apex predators, capable of taking down prey with astonishing efficiency. Some of them, in their quest for survival, have also been known to inflict harm on humans who unwittingly encroach upon their territories, making them dangerous. Join us as we explore 20 of these deadliest river monsters of the Amazon. Number 20. The small-toothed sawfish. The small-toothed sawfish is a unique inhabitant of aquatic landscapes that brings a distinct charm to the world beneath the waves. This species, a member of the larger group known as elasmobranchs, which includes rays, skates, and sharks, holds a captivating presence that draws attention to its intriguing attributes. Among the fascinating features of the small-toothed sawfish is its structure, composed of cartilage that strikes a balance between the rigidity of bone and the flexibility it offers. Because they have gills and mouths on their lower side, these creatures bear a resemblance to sharks, exemplifying the interconnectedness of marine life. What, however, sets the small-toothed sawfish apart is its rostrum. This is the elongated snout that earns it its name. This rostrum, lined with serrated edges, resembles a saw blade, standing as a striking testament to nature's remarkable designs. In terms of habitat, these sawfish prefer the warmth of tropical waters, like the Amazon basin. While the sawfish itself isn't inherently dangerous to humans, its rostrum does pose a potential threat due to its size and sharp edges. If a person were to come into close contact with it, there is a risk of injury. Sawfish are not typically aggressive toward humans, though. They do not actively seek out confrontations, but if they feel threatened or cornered, they might use their rostrum as a defensive mechanism. Number 19. Black Caiman. The black caiman is a true heavyweight among its reptilian counterparts. As the largest known member of the alligator family, this remarkable creature claims the title of the largest crocodilian worldwide. Found inhabiting a diverse range of environments, the black caiman is most at home in the serene waters of the Amazon basin. Within the realm of South America, it takes the honorable position as the third largest reptile in the neotropics, standing proud after the American crocodile and the Orinoco crocodile. When it comes to dimensions, we're talking about lengths that can stretch to a remarkable 16 feet, solidifying its place as a true giant in the reptile world. The black caiman is not merely a creature of size, but also a distinct appearance. The adult ones boast a dark hue on their skin. Their lower jaws, however, showcase bands of gray and brown, adding an intricate touch to their overall aesthetic. In the world of young caimans, this banding is even more pronounced along their flanks. It is a trait that remains consistent as they transition into adulthood. An unmistakable characteristic shared with other caimans, too, is the presence of a bony ridge. The black caiman still stands apart with its distinctive appearance, marked by a large and weighty head. This feature comes into play when it's time for the caiman to engage in hunting pursuits, particularly when tackling larger prey. These animals exhibit long and robust bodies, accentuated by powerful jaws, a stout tail, and short legs. This physical arrangement bears a semblance to crocodiles, a resemblance underscored by their eyes and nostrils positioned atop their heads. The adaptation of their skin, thick and covered with scales, is an ingenious mechanism that allows for unobstructed vision and breathing even when submerged in water. Number 18. Red-tail catfish. With the red-tail catfish's captivating appearance and unique behavior, this fish emerges as a notable character in the underwater realm. Its large size and distinctive coloring set it apart as a prominent presence in the waters, and it thrives in environments characterized by moving water, preferring the lively currents of streams and rivers just like the Amazon River. Adorned with bold red fins and an impressive physical presence, it stands out amidst its aquatic companions. A peculiar feature of this fish is its elongated whiskers, which serve as olfactory organs to navigate its surroundings and detect potential prey. This fish can also stretch its body to a remarkable length of around 6 feet. What distinguishes the red-tail catfish from its relatives is its active nature as a predator. Unlike many catfish species that adopt a more passive approach, it's known for its proactive hunting behavior, making it a dynamic and engaging inhabitant of its habitat. Additionally, it can thrive for up to 15 years in captivity, a reflection of its resilience and adaptability. Within its natural habitat, though, it exceeds these confines, underlining its capacity to endure and evolve. Number 17. Freshwater Stingray. These are rare types of rays occurring in freshwater rather than saltwater. Freshwater stingrays are an endemic species of the Amazon River system. Despite their gentle disposition, these animals inflict more human injuries than any other Amazonian species. Stingrays frequently replace their spines due to their high spine turnover rate, and they occasionally even have two at once. Their eyes are situated on the dorsal side of their elongated bodies, while their mouths and gill slits are on the underside. These rays have breathing holes directly behind the eyes and long saw-like spines behind their pelvic fins. Their tails are also typically longer than their disc width. When extracted, poisonous protein is stored in grooves beneath each of their spines, and their stinger can be utilized as a weapon. Most South American stingray species have vivid, variegated dorsal patterns with dots of various sizes placed in rows against dark, gray, brown, or black backgrounds. Number 16. Bull shark. A remarkable example of the bull shark's adaptability comes to light through an extraordinary incident in 1963 when a hefty 265-pound bull shark was reeled in near Iquitos, Peru. Equally astonishing are this creature's appearances in the Brazilian Amazon, where its proximity to the ocean invites its presence in freshwater tributaries. Venturing beyond its native territories, the bull shark has even graced the waterways of the United States, reaching places as unexpected as Illinois along the banks of the Mississippi River. The secret to its success in these diverse environments lies in its uniquely evolved kidneys, which adeptly navigate varying levels of salinity. These kidneys enable the bull shark to thrive, ensuring its physiological balance as it adapts to fluctuating salt concentrations. Reproduction further distinguishes the bull shark from its peers. Unlike many shark species that lay eggs, the bull shark gives birth to fully developed offspring, a strategy that provides immediate advantages for survival. The newborns, known as river pups, possess a built-in defense mechanism due to their birth in shallow freshwater environments. This fortification aids their survival against potential predators during these crucial early stages of life. Notably, young bull sharks display a limited tolerance for high salinity levels. They opt for the haven of freshwater until they mature, at which point they venture into saltwater territories with greater confidence. This transition marks a pivotal phase in the life of a bull shark, mirroring the journey of growth and adaptation that shapes its existence. Number 15. Matamata Turtle. The Matamata's appearance is unlike any other turtle. Its shell is rough and flattened, resembling a piece of bark or debris. Also colored in brown or black, this shell often sports a covering of algae and aquatic plants. However, what truly sets the Matamata apart is its strikingly elongated neck, adorned with skin flaps. This adaptation helps the turtle seamlessly blend into the underwater environment, providing exceptional camouflage. The head, triangular and substantial, boasts a wide mouth and an extended snout. Inhabiting aquatic realms, the Matamata has developed a specialized hunting technique. It opens its mouth wide, creating a vacuum that sucks in aquatic prey like fish and amphibians. This disguise ensures that it remains concealed while patiently waiting for prey to approach. The fringed skin on its neck, combined with its algae-covered shell, enables the Matamata to disappear amidst its surroundings, evading both predators and potential meals. Although considered a species of least concern by the IUCN, Matamata turtles still face threats due to habitat loss, pollution, and collection for the pet trade. Their intriguing appearance has made them desirable in the exotic pet market. However, their care demands attention to their habitat's specifics and dietary preferences. Number 14. Electric eel. In South American rivers, electric eels surface to attack their prey with electrical shocks that can be as high as 860 volts. Recently, researchers found that the snake-like fish frequently hunt in packs, much like wolves orcas, and some tuna species. This discovery is the first of its type among electric fishes and could open the door for more research in the future. 2 new kinds of electric eels were also discovered, the most potent of which can produce a shock unlike any previously felt. They were found in the Amazonian basin by scientists conducting research into the genetic causes of social fish predation. These researchers claim that their findings highlight the incredible diversity in the Amazon rainforest, much of which is still unknown to science, and show how important it is to preserve a habitat threatened by deforestation, logging, and fires. For generations, it was thought that the wider Amazonia region, which includes sections of Brazil, was home to just one species, but further research has exposed them to more. Electric shocks are employed by electric eels for a variety of purposes, such as hunting, self-defense, and navigation. They are powered by 3 electric organs that may discharge charges of varied intensities. These fish also served as the inspiration for the first electric battery. Number 13. Sockeye Salmon. The sockeye salmon is a true leviathan of its kind and tips the scales at a staggering 15 pounds and 3 ounces. It also measures an impressive 28.25 inches in length with a girth of 21 inches. Distinctive by nature, the sockeye salmon's appearance transforms as it navigates the various stages of its life. In the expanse of the open ocean, it is adorned with a unique hue, a mixture of cool blues interlaced with hints of silver, a coloration that seamlessly blends with its marine surroundings. Yet, when the time comes for these creatures to embark on their pivotal spawning journey, a mesmerizing metamorphosis takes place. Their skin undergoes a vivid transformation, donning a brilliant shade of red that commands attention and symbolizes their determination to fulfill their life's purpose. A distinctive trait that distinguishes sockeye salmon lies in their long, serrated gill rakers, numbering between 30 and 40, an intricate adaptation perfectly suited to their way of life. One notable characteristic used for quick identification is the absence of spots on their tail or back, setting them apart from their fellow salmon brethren. From their remarkable sizes and distinctive features to their captivating life cycle that culminates in a vibrant display of red during spawning, the sockeye salmon's existence not only enriches aquatic ecosystems but also weaves stories of human connection. Number 12. Redbellied Piranha. A red-bellied piranha's head and body are covered in a variety of gray scales and bright silver scales, with reddish pigmentation extending from the chin and cheeks down to the belly. The piranha also has a distinctly rounded and snub-nosed look for a purpose. Its short, stocky lower jaw with triangular, razor-sharp teeth fit into a pair of teeth up top. Strong muscles connect the forehead to the lower jaw as well. Its thick, fleshy lips, however, make it difficult to see the piranha's powerful teeth, which can grow to a maximum size of 4 pounds and 30.5 centimeters, and it's mostly found in low-lying areas of the Amazon River basin. A considerable portion of a piranha's food in the wild consists of larger fish with their fins locked off, which they catch in both passive and active areas of the huge freshwater basin system of the Amazon. There are also animal byproducts in their diet like ripe figs and other fruits, small fish, insects, and aquatic invertebrates. Red-bellied piranhas frequently migrate in huge groups and are frequently spotted in groups of 20 or more. Their usual lifespan is at least 10 years. Number 11. Piriba. The Piriba is pretty different from other types of catfish. Growing up to 3.6 meters in length and 200 kilograms in weight, it is the largest Amazonian catfish and one of the mightiest fish in the world. Its upper side is white, and its underside ranges in color from dark gray to black. Due to their enormous and spiky dorsal fins, some people have compared Piriba to sharks. It is a hazardous chase predator that aggressively patrols the open water column, and like many giant fish, it may catch its prey by creating a vacuum effect with its enormous mouth wide. The Piriba, however, has a much more terrifying strategy. It can take in large amounts of water and channel it through its gills to produce a vortex effect that can capture and draw in far-off prey. This makes it unable to move swiftly, though, since the process appears to demand all of its energy and focus. Once it gets inside the Piriba's mouth, the prey is then seized by gripper pads that resemble sandpaper. These gripper pads are employed to abrasively scrape away at the skin and produce bleeding while the fish thrashes its prey in its mouth. The prey can also be forcefully expelled if necessary to cause significant blunt force trauma injury. Interestingly, it is widely thought that canoes used by fishermen are a specific target of the Piriba. Some even claim the Piriba can swallow an entire human. Beyond these speculations, the fish faces challenges that threaten its existence. As human activities encroach upon its domain, the Piriba encounters disruptions to its natural rhythm, underscoring the urgent need for conservation efforts to safeguard its future. Number 10. The vampire fish. In the waters of South America, the vampire fish, scientifically known as the Piriba, captures people's attention. This unique fish has piqued curiosity due to its distinct characteristics and behaviors. One of the most striking features of the Piriba is its pair of unusually large fangs. These fangs, protruding from its lower jaw, have earned it various nicknames like the water wolf and the saber-toothed tigerfish. These names aptly describe the fish's predatory nature, with piranhas often being its preferred prey. Found primarily in the Amazon River basin, the vampire fish thrives in specific conditions. It favors clear waters with strong currents, making its homes near the bases of waterfalls and in turbulent river areas. The Piriba's physical adaptations are remarkable too, as its lower jaw boasts elongated, curved structures, which are quite the spectacle. Notably, it's the two long fangs extending from the lower jaw that wows people, since they sometimes reach lengths of 4 to 6 inches. These fangs, combined with a streamlined body and fan-shaped tail fins, contribute to the fish's adeptness at navigating challenging waters. In essence, the vampire fish represents an intriguing example of nature's diversity and adaptation. Its unique attributes and role within the aquatic ecosystem remind us of the wondrous variety of life that thrives in the Amazon's dynamic waters. Number 9. Arapaima fish. This fascinating inhabitant of the Amazon River and various freshwater bodies within South America's rainforests beckons us into the depths of its intriguing world. A unique creature that breathes air, the Arapaima fish presents a blend of distinctive features and behaviors that set it apart. With lengths that can reach an astonishing 15 feet and weights that tip the scales at a remarkable 440 pounds, the Arapaima fish claims its status as one of the largest fish species globally, instilling a sense of awe and wonder. Yet the giants of this species have become a rarity, having faded from the sights of observers over time. Amidst the realm of Arapaima fish, the typical dimensions hover around 6 feet in length and a weight of approximately 200 pounds. Distinguished by their slender, coppery green heads, the Arapaima showcases a distinct mouth capable of pronounced movement, while its scaly body bears a harmonious blend of black and white hues. The piece de resistance is its expansive red tail, adorned with a dorsal fin that elegantly punctuates its sleek form. However, it is the Arapaima's interaction with its aquatic habitat that truly captivates the imagination. Possessing a unique respiratory system, these fish necessitate regular visits to the surface, as their reliance on air to support their bodily functions confines their submersion time to a mere span of 10 to 20 minutes. Their ingenious adaptation involves the conversion of their swim bladder into a lung-like organ, ingeniously providing them with the ability to gulp air audibly, creating a distinct sound akin to a cough. Number 8. White sturgeon. Resembling a living relic from a prehistoric era, the white sturgeon boasts a distinctive appearance that captivates any observer. With its elongated body covered in armored scales and a sharp, pointed snout, it gracefully navigates the depths of its freshwater habitats. These giants can grow to astonishing lengths, sometimes exceeding 20 feet, and can weigh over 1,000 pounds. What truly sets the white sturgeon apart is its remarkable lifespan. These creatures are known for their longevity, often living well over 100 years. Another of the most intriguing aspects of the white sturgeon's biology is its unique feeding behavior. These creatures are opportunistic feeders, using their sensitive barbels that look like whiskers to detect small prey buried in the sediment of river bottoms. With a diet that includes crustaceans, small fish, and aquatic insects, the white sturgeon plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of its ecosystem. Sadly, the white sturgeon's ancient legacy is currently facing challenges. Habitat degradation, overfishing, and other human activities have put pressure on their populations. Efforts are, however, underway to protect and conserve these remarkable creatures, ensuring that they continue to thrive in our modern world. Number 7. Kandiru. The Kandiru is a tiny, parasitic catfish that likes to get into unwanted places to suck the blood of organisms, and these organisms can occasionally be humans. They are only found in the Amazon basin and are difficult to see in the raging waters since they are translucent and have powerfully quick swimming abilities. These fish are similar to cannibals since they tend to attach themselves to the gills of larger fish in the wild, including much larger catfish. They thrust themselves into an opening with a burst of energy, and once they are there, they get themselves stuck into this opening through the sharp, backward-pointing spines by their head. These spines penetrate the host and firmly anchor the Kandiru there. This fish, according to many people who are familiar with it, is drawn to the smell of urine and will try to take a direct route to go to the source of the stench. In other words, it is said that the fish enters the organism's urinary tract by swimming up via the stream of urine emanating from the urethra after locating the source of the odor. Here, it permanently resides, feeding on blood. The worst part of this assertion is that the Kandiru will remain inside the organism until it is surgically removed, because the urethra is too narrow for the fish to turn around and swim out, and because the head spines prohibit forcible removal. Number 6. Silver Arowana. Found in the Amazon basin and rivers like Rupununi and Oyapak in South America, the silver arowana calls diverse aquatic habitats home, from tranquil swamps to floodplains. However, there's more to this fish than its habitat. Its appearance is so captivating that it's become a sought-after resident in aquariums around the world. Beyond its visual appeal, it also plays a crucial role in local communities, serving as a significant food source and contributing to the delicate balance of aquatic ecosystems. The silver arowana's feeding habits are a symphony of adaptation. While capable of consuming various forms of sustenance, its preference leans towards surface-dwelling fish, a strategy enabled by its anatomical advantage. It exhibits a unique predatory behavior since it is positioned to capture prey while swimming beneath. It leaps from the water to ambush its target, often using overhanging branches as allies in its pursuit. In the intricate narrative of this aquatic animal, we glimpse the harmonious blend of form and function that guides survival in diverse aquatic landscapes. Now, it's time for today's subscriber's pick. We can easily assume that the man in this picture is in a tight situation, though it doesn't seem like it. The gigantic creature in front of him looks like an anaconda, but something about it looks strange, making us wonder if it's really a giant anaconda and what a human is doing near it. The limited information we have regarding the image doesn't help. We cannot reach a conclusion about what's happening in the picture, seeing as the man beside the gigantic animal appears calm, almost like he's petting it. This is strange because anacondas are known to be violent animals and cannot be kept as pets. There are, however, other suggestions that the creature might be dead, and the young man beside it is trying to confirm that. Unfortunately, all we know about this picture are speculations, and we are curious to know if the animal in the picture an anaconda is indeed, and what the man is doing with it. Have you come across this picture before and have further information about the situation? Let's hear your opinion in the comments section. Number 5. Armored catfish. In ideal circumstances, armored catfish are algivorous, nocturnal fish that can be identified by a sucker ventrally located on their dorsal fin. The fish's flattened ventral floor allows them to use their suckers on a variety of surfaces, and its pectoral fins contain robust tooth spines and an adipose fin with a backbone. These fish can reach lengths of more than 3 feet, and their characteristics might be utilized in male competitiveness and mobility. The armored catfish gets its name from its triangular, contoured, and leopard-spotted body plates, and it uses its toothless smile to scrape algae off the undersides of rocks, riverbeds, and tree trunks. Its sucker mouth may cling to surfaces and powerful currents as well. Because armored catfish can claim tank surfaces by sucking up algae and other detritus, they are popular aquarium fish. Interestingly, they also resemble those found in prehistoric aquariums and have thick, bony plates. If the catfish feels threatened, it extends its fins to prevent itself from being swallowed whole. Furthermore, its vascularized abdomen allows it to breathe air and stay afloat for over 30 hours, making it a potential survivor in low-oxygen waters. Its bony spines are not poisonous, but they do a good job of scaring away potential predators. Number 4. Paku. Paku is a popular name for numerous species of freshwater fish from South America that are related to piranhas and consume everything. The primary distinction between a paku and a piranha is how their jaws are placed. While paku has squarer, straighter teeth and a less severe underbite or straight minor overbite, piranhas have sharp, pointed teeth with a strong underbite. Paku can, however, grow much larger than a piranha, reaching a maximum length of 1.08 meters, which is about 3 feet 6 inches and a weight of 88 pounds, around 40 kilograms. Pakus mostly consume vegetation and do not feed on other animals or scales. They also consume nuts and fruits that fall from trees into the water, and their teeth largely resemble those of humans. Pakus, however, receive so much attention because they have a reputation for biting men's testicles. A male swimmer was reportedly bitten on the genitalia, and a female swimmer was reportedly bitten on the leg by the Paku fish in Papua New Guinea in 2001. While both the victims survived, people have been weary of Pakus ever since. Number 3. Queensland Grouper. The Queensland Grouper's imposing size and robust build make it a true underwater heavyweight, and its mottled, earth-toned skin serves as natural camouflage amidst the vibrant coral reefs it calls home. What makes the Queensland Grouper even more intriguing is its social nature. These fish are known for their unique behavior of forming close-knit gatherings called aggregations. It's a mesmerizing sight to witness several of them come together, seemingly engaged in a delicate dance within the underwater world. These aggregations serve important ecological purposes, such as reproduction and protection from predators. However, like many majestic creatures, the Queensland Grouper faces challenges. Habitat degradation, overfishing, and other human activities have threatened their populations. Efforts are being made to protect and conserve these remarkable fish, ensuring that their place in the marine ecosystem is preserved for future generations. Number 2. Green Anaconda. Green anacondas can grow to be more than 29 feet long, weigh more than 550 pounds, and have girths of more than 12 inches. Female giant anacondas also typically weigh much more than males do. Both in water and on land, anacondas are most frequently found in the Amazon and Orinoco basins, tropical rainforests, where they dwell in wetlands and slow-moving streams. Other anaconda species found in South America include smaller yellow, dark-spotted, and Bolivian variations. What might surprise observers about these creatures is the duality of their agility. While they appear bulky on land, their movements within water are remarkably agile and graceful. This adaptability enables them to wait in ambush for unsuspecting prey, nearly submerged, utilizing the strategic location of their eyes and nasal openings atop their heads. The green anacondas feed on a variety of creatures, from wild pigs and deer to birds, turtles, capybaras, and even predators like caimans and jaguars. Their remarkable ability to accommodate prey of varying sizes is facilitated by their specialized jaw structure, aided by elastic ligaments that allow them to swallow their victims whole. Additionally, the anaconda displays an impressive capacity for extended periods without nourishment following substantial meals. In the context of reproduction, female green anacondas demonstrate their prowess as mothers. Safeguarding their eggs and giving birth to a range of offspring, often numbering from a dozen to several dozen, they contribute to the continuation of their species. These young anacondas, measuring around 2 feet in length, display astonishing readiness, instantly embracing the art of swimming and hunting. Number 1. Giant leech. The largest species of sponges in the world is the Amazonian leech, which reaches a maximum length of 450 millimeters, about 17.7 inches, and a maximum width of 100 millimeters, about 39 inches. Adults of these leeches are a homogeneous grayish color as opposed to juveniles, who have a non-consistent color stripe and patchy coloration. The giant Amazonian leech lives in the Guineas marshes along the coast and is found throughout the Guineas to the Amazon region, from the Amazon River's delta upstream to Venezuela. Baby leeches eat frogs and toads, while caiman anacondas, domestic cattle, and capybaras are frequent adult prey. All of the giant Amazonian leeches are safe since the species is a good swimmer and conceals its food and cocoons under rocks or floating debris in the water. It can protect its family from harm without the assistance of others. These aquatic monsters continue to prove that humans haven't even scratched the surface of the creatures living in the waters. Researchers also continue to explore more creatures with intriguing qualities in the Amazon River, and we may have more of them to discuss later in the future. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.